Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a stencil out of scrap cardboard, like this chicken bake box stencil. Okay, the materials you're going to need include a piece of scrap cardboard, like this chicken tikka masala box. You'll need a cutter, like a utility knife, an X-Acto knife, or the best thing you can use is a scalpel. And the best cutting surface you can use, this one's cardboard, but the best cutting surface you could use is a rubber mat. But those cost money. And then here you need a pen and a pencil and then some printer paper. Okay? You also need a computer. And your computer you have a couple options. You can lay your computer down. If it doesn't open all the way flat, you can support it on both sides. I'm using a book and something else to support my computer. I like to lay my paper flat down on my computer. That way it doesn't slide off. But the other option is, if your computer is folded up, you can always tape that paper down. Other thing you should consider is that the screen brightness needs to be all the way up so that you can see. So you can use it as like a tracing table. Okay? And then you can see I already traced my image. It is a whale. I didn't do a very good job yet, but so you'll start with your pencil and lightly trace your image. And then bring your image over to your scrap cardboard, and then place it down. And you will, using your pen, trace very hard onto your cardboard. Maybe you trace so many times that you actually cut through the paper with your pen. The reason you do this is because this is your rough sketch. When you're using your X-Acto knife, then you'll be able to make some edits to your stencil. So you can see there's kind of like an impression from the pen onto my cardboard, and then I know where to cut. Okay, so then I can cut my stencil. Now, if my stencil is in multiple pieces, like this one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and I'm not ready to use the stencil yet. I'm bringing it somewhere. I don't want to have all these pieces to carry around and not know where each of them go. So I'm actually going to bring it almost completely finished, but not quite. And what I do is, also when it is finished, I'm going to tape the back and stick it to the surface that I'm going to use it on. And in this case, it's going to be reverse tie-dye. So this, I'll stick it on a t-shirt, and then I'll spray bleach onto the t-shirt, and then everywhere that the bleach didn't hit, you'll see this composting symbol. Okay, so that is how I make, reuse cardboard to make a stencil.